Well, that doesn't work because you can't see what I'm doing. Can you see what I'm doing? Guess what I got? I got this from my friend at work, Stephanie. I never used it. I don't even know how to do it, so let's do it together. Okay, it was opened. Fancy. I'm assuming that's oh, look at that. I'm okay. I don't know if I like recording on my laptop. Okay. Okay. Fancy. I'm assuming this was in here. Oh, look. Unlock. Lock. Oh, it's not all the way over. Maybe I put it all wrong. Hang on. Unlock. Oh. That's cool. Okay. Why do I feel so weird talking to myself today? Didn't tell me before. I don't know what this is. Cool. Oh, I found the directions. Okay. Oh, look. Duh. I don't need directions. Oh, we can swap stuff too? Get out. Oh, I forgot to turn the water off. Oh, God. Okay. You don't know how many times I flooded the backyard. Back on. Fancy. I'm freaking excited. We're gonna do celery juice with cayenne pepper this morning. Oh, look. Should we do it in that? Yeah, I think so. Oh, just like the picture. Oh, and a lid? Okay. Okay. That's it. So, I'm gonna put you down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing here. Celery powder. Check. Cayenne pepper. A tiny bit. Like, see? Oh, water. Oh, I have to plug it in. Damn it. Oh, I didn't show that. Speed. Nice. Oh, I wonder if I'll reach over there. It should. Are you ready? I'll put this thing on. I'm like a little nervous. Okay. Can you see? It like really gets in there. Okay. we drink. It's good. Yeah. It's mixed up really good. Mmm. I forgot my pre-workout in. Okay. Because we're running today. Don't mind if I do. Oh, now we gotta mix again. Come on. Let's see if this makes it any better. Oh, no, that's worse. Don't do that. I'm not wasting it. Let's go with it. Day 11. Oh my God, I forgot my other thing. I'm gonna NAD for the rest of my life and never grow old. Look old, grow old. I forgot what she said, but. I'm not turning that thing on again. We're just hand mixing it. That doesn't taste like anything, so. Done, son. Thank you, Stephanie. I love you. Wait, now how do I stop it?